Hello guys and welcome back. So in today's new video we are just going to unpack another PTZ camera, and I have it right here. It's a IP camera and we are going to do the unpacking together. Now this camera here is coming from ieGeek IP camera IE20. The model is right there, and yeah, so let's just do the unpacking, see what is inside here. All right, so we have a big instruction manual right there, some card, warranty activation, okay, RJ45 cable, an internet cable, power brick, a screwdriver, some fixings for the wall to install the camera on the wall. Okay, some connection IP65 for the internet wire, if we are going to decide to do that. Now this is a wireless camera, so we don't actually need to connect it with wires. We just need to connect a power supply to it. But it's always, I believe, better if we can connect everything with the wires. The wireless sometimes can drop, and then it might be that sometimes you have to redo the connection manually, and if you are not around there, then you are going to be losing sometimes. You are going to be in some sort of trouble. Okay, we have even this foam pad right here, which is going to be mounted at the back in the moment that we are going to screw it to the wall. So that is going to hold everything together, and hopefully no water is going to go in. It seems that they thought about everything. Now this one, it's a little bit more expensive than the other ones that I had here in on my channel. And yeah, if I'm not wrong, it was around £60 or something like that. But I will have a look, and I'm going to put that on the screen right now. So yeah, I'm going to put even a link down below this video, just in case you want to buy something like that. It's going to be easy for you to find this one or similar. This is the camera, these are the antennas for the wireless, and very important, this barcode right here, because probably that one is going to help us at the later stage to install it. Also on top here we are going to have the passwords and everything, so it's best to peel it out once that you install it, for no one to mess with it. Okay, so first thing that I'm going to do right now, I'm just going to add some memory onto it. That's why we have this screwdriver right here, because it's not coming with the memory. We will need a micro SD card, and I have one right here. This one is 32 gigabyte, and I'm just going to install it right now. Exactly here at the bottom, on the head of the dome, we have a screw. We are going to release that, and then we should find the slot for the memory card. So I'm just going to quickly open it. Take my card out. Okay, and the slot it's right there at the bottom. I'm going to insert it. Now this side is going to be upwards, yeah. Okay, make sure that it's clicked in, and then I'm going to put the cover back. As you can see, when you put the cover, it's a rubber there that is going to hold out the water, the rain. And that is my first thing done. Now I'm just going to take the power brick and I'm just going to connect it in. Okay, so the power cable is ready right now. I just need to connect it. These are the connections right here. So that is the cable. It's quite short. That means it will have to be very close to your router or switch if you have any. Most probably you'll need a longer cable because that one is not going to do. Usually you are going to put it outside and probably you'll need at least 10 meters of wire. All right, now this IP65 connector should go right inside here. So it should be already mounted on this wire, but we cannot do that because they are not going to go in. So we have to do our own wire if you want to connect this small bit on. Now this is coming with some washers and usually is going to be mounted just like this and then connected just like that with the wire in, of course. But for the moment, because we don't have a wire done like that, these are going to be, this is how it's going to be connected, and that is just going to be plugged in into your router. But we don't need this for the moment. And yeah, also here we are going to have a reset button, just in case if something is wrong with the camera, we can reset the password and everything just by pressing this button right here, and that it will have a cover also. And that is the power supply. So here we are going to connect the power supply. Now this camera right here, let's see, it has PTZ control, IP66 waterproof, two-way audio, motion detection, auto tracking, white and infrared lights, LEDs. Supports it can support 128 gigabyte card. So the memory, I just installed the 32 and I believe is going to be enough for what I need at the moment. And 360 degrees all around protection. So that means it's just going to go all around on itself. So all that is going to go all around. Up, down, left, right. I'm not going to force it too much because I don't want to break anything. Okay, so right now we are just going to install it in our phone. We are going to install the app in our phone and connect it to the app. So alright guys, here we go. First thing that we need to do, go in the Play Store and install this app right here. It's called Cam High Pro, and I already installed it. Open it. You don't need to create an account, so we just go forward with it. Click add device. Before I'm going to go forward with it, it's recommended to reset the camera. So I'm going to hold this button for 3 seconds. And that is reset. And I'm going to continue with this one. So we have here an IP camera, so I'm going to choose the IP camera. It's a new device. Power is on, so next step, connect to with the network cable or without the network cable. So it's not connected to the network cable, and now we have to choose what type of devices we have, and it's going to be the one at the bottom, and we are going to go forward with that. And now we just need this code right here, because this one is going to contain all the passwords and everything. So let's scan this side. And now he's going to search for the camera. And I believe if he found it. Now this one, it's my wireless connection. I'm connected with my phone to my wireless in my home, and I'm going to start to configure that with the camera. Now it's going to send all these details to the camera, the password and the name of the Wi-Fi. And I believe it's starting to receive it. Okay, we can give a name to the camera, confirm, and now the camera is online. Let's go forward with it. It's going to ask us to change the old password, and I'm going to put a new password, and I inserted a new password. Apply. And okay, now probably we can visualize our camera. Okay, so here we have different options. We can record if we want. On that one, we can actually speak with the camera by using the microphone. Hello? 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 So if we need to speak with someone, we just need to press that, or if we need to listen to see whatever is going to happen in that area, we can press that one. If we go forward here, we can just move the camera because it's a PTZ, so we can do that. Down or up. Okay, and next here we can flip it, mirror, flip, and focus, zoom in, zoom out. What else? Preset position. So here we are going to preset the position that camera is going to stay. Volume control. And intelligent tracking. If we are going to activate this one, the camera should just move by itself and see if there is any movement around. If there is going to be any movement around, it's going to just follow that object that is moving. So let's close this one. Image adjustment, brightness, and contrast, saturation, and so on. We can go also in the option SD plan recording, and here we can choose how long is going to record, if it's going to record all the time or not. So we can close it down from there. Advanced settings, and here we can do a schedule. I'm just going to leave it for easy setup. SD card settings. We can format the SD card right here. Okay, and I'm going to do that right now. As you can see, we already have 3 gigabytes, 30 gigabytes on here, and that is going to be enough for this camera. Wireless settings is the Wi-Fi, if we need to change the password, the time settings, and all of the rest are just here on this button right here. Okay, let's go on the camera. We can make it a little bit bigger, and yeah, this is the quality right here, and we can even put it a little bit higher because at the moment is on SD, and we can put it on HD, and it's going to look like that. It's not a bad image, I have to say. And yeah, we also can activate the infrared and the lights on it also. We have the zoom right here. All right. We have a second app that can be installed, and I've done even that one, but I'm not going to mess around with it because it's going to be pretty much the same thing. All right, guys, so this is our IP camera. I have to say I'm quite impressed. It wasn't that difficult to install the app and find the camera. The image is quite good. It will have the option for the lights, for the infrared also, so in the dark it's not going to be any problem. Probably it's not going to be very good if you need to see at a long distance, because it's just around 2 megapixel. Now, I didn't test it, but probably is going to go somewhere around 10 meters, and after that is going to start to lose considerably from the quality of the picture. So alright, guys, hopefully this video is going to help you a little bit on deciding what types of cameras do you need. And I have to say, this small gadget is not costing a lot, and probably is going to be a good idea to have something like that in your back garden, even in front of your house, just to check now and then when the delivery is going to come. And okay, guys, so don't forget to squeeze that like button, and see you on the next one. Bye for now.